For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The United States sends message to China, starts direct funding to exiled Tibet government in India. US agency USAID has committed to providing nearly $1 million to the Social and Resources Development Fund. SARD is a non-profit organization set up by the Tibetan government in exile. It is also known as Central Tibetan Administration and is based in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. This is the first time any US government agency has provided funds directly to the TGIE. This has signaled a subtle move by President Donald Trump's administration. The United States is acknowledging a political entity spearheading the campaign against China's occupation of and continued rule over Tibet. The US move came amid the military standoff between India and China in eastern Ladakh. This funding signifies the US government's support to the Central Tibetan Administration and the Tibetan community. The Dalai Lama set up the CTA on April 29, 1959, just a few weeks after he escaped from Tibet and arrived in India. The CTA calls itself the continuation of the government of independent Tibet. Beijing accuses the Dalai Lama and the CTA of running a separatist campaign against China. New Delhi publicly maintains that Dalai Lama is an honored guest of India. But India never formally acknowledged the CTA as the exiled government of the erstwhile independent Tibet. China has always objected to India's tacit support to the CTA and often demanded its closure. The CTA set up the SARD Fund in 1997 to help mobilize resources and support development efforts of Tibetans living in South Asia. The MHA of the Government of India allowed it to receive any amount of donations and foreign contribution for relief and development purposes. The direct funding by the USAID was an acknowledgement of the capacity of the SARD as an international development agency. The SARD earlier received financial support from the foreign governments through intermediary non-profit organizations. The USAID fund of $997,124 to the SARD fund of the CTA is to support strengthening the financial and cultural resilience of the Tibetan people. The fund will also help in sustained resilience of the Tibetan people's economic and cultural identity. The US has been slamming China over the past few weeks for its military aggression. US slammed China for its disputed boundary with India in eastern Ladakh and also over South China Sea. The US Navy has also deployed its two aircraft carrier strike groups, USS Nimitz and USS Ronald Reagan, in the South China Sea. President Donald Trump's administration also imposed visa restrictions on some officials of the Chinese government and the Chinese Communist Party. The latest move was in accordance with the U.S. Reciprocal Access to Tibet Act of 2018. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo had earlier accused the Chinese government of human rights abuses in Tibet.